What is going on, guys? Welcome to CraigerCo Classic Steel Beauties for the F100 world. And you guys are here because you're doing a little bit of research on how to remove your steering gearbox out of your truck. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys just for a visual on, because I don't have an engine right now. So it'll be a good visual to how to remove your steering gearbox, because you look at it and it is blocked by an engine, especially if you have a big FE or 460, so on and so forth. So just gonna give you guys a quick visual and just a quick rundown on how to remove it. So enjoy. So guys, right here is your drag link onto your steering linkage, and on it is a pitman arm, which is right there, and you guys will remove that. That's going to be your hardest part of removing your steering gearbox, and once you guys get that removed, then the rest is actually quite easy. You guys can use, I call it a T-bar, but it is, I'll pop a picture of it up, is what you'll need to remove it if you're lucky. I think I remember using a impact wrench and all that jazz, so this is the hardest part. So guys, up here on top, obviously, you probably won't have one of these. It'll be a rag joint, which I believe has 2 bolts on each side, and easy peasy after you remove that. Down here, guys, there is a bolt here. So we can get a good visual. There we go. There's a bolt here, here, and here. Now these are obviously the back end of the bolts. There you go, guys. There's the 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. Obviously this will be different on a 4-wheel drive. On the other side over there, and I'll put up the bolt size up on the screen, and you will definitely need a sort of a breaker bar to remove it. I did, because you collect all this gunky stuff over the years. I had a power steering that leaked, so it's a little bit worse on my end, but break that loose. So yeah, and then you pull out and up, and then besides breaking your back and because it's heavy, especially the power steering version, then you guys just replace the new one in there, and it should be easier on the way in. But I just wanted to give you guys this visual so that you can use it. And there you go. That's it. Obviously, if you had power steering, you would remove your power steering lines, which would be right around in here. And there you go. I know, kind of a weird tech tip sort of thing to really post, but you know, if you guys are here and you don't know a Ford F100 world, that is a group that answers questions just like this. So, as well as other stuff, cool, share your story, share your truck, all that jazz. So hope you guys enjoyed the tech tip. Hopefully that helped. Check out some of the other tech tips, and check out Steel Beauties. Alrighty guys, subscribe, follow, do all that jazz. Appreciate you. See ya. Alrighty, got the pitman arm on. Camera looks kind of off, but it is straight down, and it is on the drag link steering linkage. And let's see, granted, there's no engine to weigh it down, but I do have the big tires. So let's see here if it's really all that hard, at least right now. Wow, that's so easy. Sweet. Cool. Well, I was able to do it with one hand without an engine weighing down, so I guess that's good. It's on this nice smooth concrete. So yeah, that's cool. All right, sweet.